Hi! Today we're baking Grandma's sugar cookies. First, we need shortening. 2/3 of a cup of shortening. Here's 1/3 and 2/3. Cut from here to here. Two-thirds of a cup of shortening. Put the shortening in the bowl. Sugar. We need 2/3 of a cup of sugar. 1 cup. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. We need 3/4 of a cup. 1, 2, 3. Up to here. Three-quarters of a cup of sugar. Put the sugar in the bowl. Vanilla. We need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla. Put the vanilla in the bowl. Half a teaspoon of vanilla. Beat. Electric mixer, beat. Do you like oranges? I like oranges. Grater. Grate the orange. One-half teaspoon of orange peel. I like more orange, so I'm putting lots of orange. Put the orange in the bowl. Okay. 1 egg. Break the egg. 1, 2, 3. Put the egg in the bowl. Okay. Beat. Teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. 4 teaspoons of milk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 teaspoons of milk. Okay. Now, different bowl. Wet, dry. Wet food, dry food. Okay. 2 cups of flour. Flour, all-purpose flour. 2 cups of flour. One, 2 cups of flour. Put the flour in the bowl. Okay. Baking powder. Baking powder, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. One teaspoon. Half a teaspoon. One and a half teaspoons of baking powder. Salt, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Careful. Put the salt in the bowl. 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Okay. Stir the dry ingredients. Sifter, put the dry ingredients in with the wet ingredients. Dry, wet. Put the flour in the bowl. Okay. And let's see. Beat. Okay. Stir the flour more. Wooden spoon. Stir the flour. Put shortening on the pan. Grease the pan. Put flour on the counter. Just a little bit. Okay, put flour on the rolling pin. Okay, make a ball. Put the dough on the counter. Roll the dough. I need more flour. Okay. Pick a cookie cutter. What's this? It's a bear. What sound does a bear make? Roar. Okay. Cut out a cookie. And put the cookie on the tray. Spatula. Put the bear on the tray. What's this? It's a horse. What sound does a horse make? Yee! Cut out a horse. Put the horse on the tray. What's this? It's a dinosaur. What sound does a dinosaur make? Roar! Cut out the dinosaur. What's this? It's a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo. Cut out the cow. What's this? It's a pig. What sound does a pig make? Cut out the pig. What's this? It's a cat. What sound does a cat make? Cut out the cat. What's this? It's a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Maa. Maa. Cut out the sheep. What's this? It's a rabbit. What's this? It's a little rabbit. Mommy rabbit, baby rabbit. Cut out the rabbits. What's this? It's the moose. It's a giant cookie. Cut out the moose. Good. So, when you have the cookies cut out, put them in the oven at 375. And you can bake them for about 6 to 8 minutes. Check them and make sure they're well done. Enjoy your cookies.